Now we have a very simple, a very straightforward question out of motion in a straight line. Now the question is actually not completely correct in terms of in wording here. Sorry for that. So the question says that a ball is thrown vertically upward with an initial velocity of 150 meter per second. The ratio of the velocity after 3 to 5 seconds actually is x plus 1 by x, and we would ask to find out the value of x. Now, when an object is projected from ground upwards with a velocity u is equal to 150 meter per second, we can write the equations of motion. The first equation of motion as v is equal to u plus at, right? And we have two instances of time here, 3 seconds and 5 seconds. So this would be v is equal to u plus at, which is a into 3. And we have v is equal to u plus at, which is 3. Okay. Now, what is a? Let's try to understand this. So, direction of motion is upwards. Acceleration due to gravity is acting downwards, which means it is opposing the initial direction of motion. And therefore, acceleration here is actually equal to minus g, which means that this is a decelerating motion. The velocity will keep on reducing as it goes up. It would come to a 0 and then come down. Okay. So, v is equal to u plus at here actually transforms to v is equal to u minus gt. U minus gt. Okay. So u is 150, t is 3, times 10 is 30, 150 minus 30 is 20. So we have v at 3 seconds is equal to 120. V at 5 is equal to 150 minus g is 10, t is 5, 10 times 10 is 50, 150 minus 50 is 100, and therefore v5 is equal to 100. So we got two values, v3 over v5 is equal to 120 over 100. Now, it is given to us in the question that this ratio is equal to x plus 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x is equal to 120 by 100, which is 12 by 10. Therefore, is equal to 10 into x plus 1 is equal to 12x. 10x plus 10 is equal to 12x. And therefore, 2x is equal to 10. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 5. Very simple, very straightforward. Just one equation of motion, and I think the only thing which could be tricky here is to choose the value of acceleration is equal to minus g. Right? And how? This is the initial direction of motion. Acceleration due to gravity is acting downwards, and since the acceleration's direction is opposite to the initial direction of motion, we take acceleration is equal to minus g. Okay, so yes, we essentially have solved the problem here. Now, we will try to solve the same question using what? It could be solved using mechanical energy conservation, or it could also be solved using work energy theorem. Okay, and I think graphical analysis wouldn't make much of sense here. But let's see if it's possible. I haven't gone through the graphical analysis so far, but yes, we have definitely gone through the work energy theorem, and we will discuss in detail how to apply work energy theorem, what is the theorem about, what is work done, what is force, what is displacement, something that I've mentioned a couple of solutions earlier, that the angle theta and the significance of it when we have theta is equal to 0 and theta is equal to 180, those things we'll try to explore here. Okay, and I can assure you that your conceptual understanding regarding work energy theorem and the application of it will become very strong. Your fundamentals would be way stronger once you follow the explanation. Okay, but again, as I do this in every question, it's a very humble request that you please write down things along with me. Make sure that you're not just buffering through the solution, you are writing down things along with me. Make at least short notes of it. Okay. Okay, now let's move on to the solution using the same question, solved using work energy theorem.